Did you know your lungs have magical healing powers, especially after you quit smoking? The first and most powerful step? Quitting smoking. Once you stop, your lungs begin repairing themselves. First, meet the Detox superheroes, broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. These veggies help remove toxins and support lung repair. Next up, vitamin C champions like oranges, kiwi, and strawberries. They fight damage caused by smoking and boost your immune system. Salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds help calm inflammation inside your lungs. Apples and berries help protect lung function and reduce coughing. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful helper for lung repair. Green tea acts like a natural cleanser for your lungs. But remember, avoid processed meats, fried foods, excess sugar, and especially smoking. Drink water, exercise gently, practice deep breathing, and sleep well. Your lungs are ready to heal. Feed them the right foods and let the magic begin.